a Ryobi today, so it's an impact driver. It's been a while actually since I've done a Ryobi, so I thought I'd do this. I've got a drill as well that I'm going to do in the next few days. This is a ID2 model, so I'll wet the battery on to see what it does, and it doesn't do anything, which is annoying. The LED flashes, and that's about it really. It does sound like it's wobbling a bit inside actually, I'm not sure what that is, but I'll get that open and have a look. I have done a quick check for spare parts on this one, and this particular model you can't buy spare parts, which is really annoying. I can get whatever I need for the ID3 but not the ID2. So if anyone knows, yeah, please let me know, but I can't find anything anywhere. So we'll get it open, see what's going on. I'm hoping this is a basic issue, otherwise I'm not going to be able to fix it because I can't get spares. And it's actually quite cheap, this one now as well, so it may not be worth it anyway. So we get the front off. You can see the anvil there at the bottom. It's obviously nothing to do with that. This isn't a mechanical issue, it's more of an electrical one on this. Right, so we'll get it open, and there's not much to it as you can see actually. Quite odd. But I say it's nothing to do with the front end here, nothing to do with the mechanical side, so we'll have a look at the electrical side. It almost, I don't know if you've seen them, but it almost looks like one of the counterfeit sort of Chinese type ones, doesn't it? Not much to it, but it's not, before I get sued. But this is quite a basic one inside. I'll get this out of the way just so I can have a quick look. So what I'm looking for really is the only thing I'll be able to fix on this one, which is going to be a cable that's come off, or a cable that's snapped, or something like that. So I can't buy new motors, I can't buy new switches, so it's got to be something that's loose or snapped, or otherwise there's not much we can do on this one. So just looking around the joints, they're all really secure actually. There's nothing here that's loose at all. So it's not that it's come off the motor. I'd say this is an issue in the switch, but again it's something I can't purchase to swap out. Probably at some point see if I can take that switch apart, see if I can get down to any more components inside, or see if there's any dry joints or anything like that. But it is a little bit frustrating, this one, just because I can't buy those parts. And there's nothing obvious that I can repair on it either. So really, even just this LED, it's just on a little board. It just looks very very cheapy, doesn't it, really? But yeah, no, thank you for watching. There's not a lot I can do on this one, but I'll keep an eye out for some spare parts, and if I find some I'll get a switch. Thank you.